101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Yes, as usually every Wednesday, yeah, of course we already here on Smart FM, yeah, with English communities, Smart FM, English communities with, of course. And today, this is the special edition because today is Ramadan month. And of course, we are early to broadcast in this studio. And with me, of course, RD Sam for during 1 hour to smart listeners and viewers at home. And I'm not alone here. We have friends from views communities, English communities in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And of course, I would like to, before we are going to talking about our topic for today, this day, I would like to invite our guests one by one to introduce themselves to smart listeners and viewers at home. Yes. Hi guys. Hi. Please use this. Okay. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, fine.
Fine?
Yes.
You?
Fine. I'm fine.
Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Before we are going to talking, of course, about our topic, I would like invite you one by one to introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers at home. I start from you, please. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English community? How looks like your English community? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Hello guys, my name is Agung Mursaling, and my nickname is Agung. I'm from English Youth Community, and in our community, we not only learning about English, but we also teach English. So about the programs of our community, we have two parts of programs. The first is learning programs. So learning programs include free meeting and intensive meeting. So free meeting is open for public, so not just our agents, our member of UC can join, but also another people that want to improve their English can join. And the second is intensive meeting. Is only agents can join in intensive meeting. We discuss like interesting topic there. And then next we have teaching programs. And teaching programs, we have a lot of teaching programs. Example like English Day, English Camp, or Kampung Binaan. Like English Day or English Camp, we go to the school, we teach students there. And Kampung Binaan also, we go there to the village that most of the children don't have access to school, so we go there to teach them not only English but also another knowledge there.
Okay. So when you will guys open recruitment, especially for EUC?
Oh, for the open recruitment, I guess this year about August or September.
August.
Yeah, because if I'm not mistaken, between August or September.
Okay, so for more detailed information about EUC itself, please mention the Instagram to smart listeners and viewers at home. Come on.
Okay, yes. If you want to know more about our community, you can search on your Instagram at English Youth Community.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Agungnya, welcome back in our studio, Smart FM. Okay, next, the newcomer. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? And what is your English community? And what about the agenda? Okay, please.
Okay, thank you. My name is Ari Pradana. I think it has been pleasure to come here. It's my first time to come.
Okay.
I'm representative of the Max. We already know Max is a place in the Almarkas, Max Almarkas. So the section in there just I think for the only debating section.
Okay.
From 5 o'clock until 5 EM until 6 EM. But
you mean PM?
PM. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
4 until 6
4
PM.
until 6 PM.
Okay. So during 2 hours, right?
During 2 hours.
Okay.
Until Maghrib time. So I think he want to the community is want to
Mhm.
open recruitment again because
Mhm.
there is a lack of members. So
Ah.
I think he will be, if I'm not mistaken,
Mhm.
he will be open on the May.
Okay.
So it's open free for everyone.
Soon, yeah?
Soon.
Okay, so how do we call you? Your nickname?
Just call me Ari.
Ari.
Yeah,
Okay,
Ari.
welcome Ari. Yeah, in
Thank
our studio Smart FM.
you.
Okay, next, the one and only, the
Okay.
most popular here. Okay, please.
Okay, smart listener. My name is Ahmad Ariandi. You can call me Rian. I'm representative from BPEC.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, BPEC stand for Benteng Panju English Club.
Yeah.
The meeting held every Sunday.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well,
The meeting held every Sunday.
Yeah.
You can
Start
join.
from 10
Start
a.m.
from 10 until 2
PM.
2 p.m.
Okay.
But special for Ramadan, we
Special schedule.
we reschedule the meeting.
Every
Every Ramadan we start
from
from 2:30 until 4:30.
okay PM.
Yeah, PM.
Okay, I mean like while you ngabuburit, right?
Yes.
Okay, welcome back.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
Brian from BPEC. Give a applause for us. Yeah. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, so as I mentioned, smart listeners and viewers at home, that of course I would like to mention our topic for this evening, and we will talking about the topic around Ramadan month, and this day we will talking about the food, yeah, the takjil, even the even the not Muslim, they may gathered, they may take the food, and that's why our topic for this day is war takjil. Giving applause for us. Yes. Okay, we were talking about war takjil for this day, and this is very interesting topic, because every years always war takjil, war takjil, war takjil. Yes, in around us, yeah. Not in all of the world, but in Sabang sampai Merauke, something like that. Yes. Okay, I start from Agung. Okay. Welcome back in our studio, and how do you think about our topic for this day, war takjil?
Okay, so I think this topic is really interesting for me.
Mhm.
Like as you mentioned earlier, this war takjil
Mhm.
is happen every year
Mhm.
in Ramadan.
Mhm.
It's like like people usually say it's like unspoken tradition, like
Mhm.
war takjil, because we see that people rushing want to go to take takjil,
Mhm.
and then especially like the mothers also, like
Mhm.
they dominating if they go to the yeah
Kitchen.
yeah if they want to go to the takjil, and also
takjil.
it's kind of also hard for other people if they want to compete with like mothers. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, I think it's really interesting topic, because even though I seldom to what can I say? I seldom to
By
experience about this war takjil. Yeah, I really seldom. Yeah, but I think it's really fun to see other people go to go to war takjil, right? They want to go rush.
even they are not Muslim, right?
Yeah, even they're not Muslim.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so even though other religion also want to go to buy this takjil, and then it happens like war takjil.
Diversity,
Yeah,
right?
diversity.
Keragaman.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Agung. So, brother Ari, how do you think about our topic for this day, war takjil?
Yeah, I think it's that's one of the quite interesting topics.
It's funny.
Funny things. So that's the reason, the main reason why I take always holiday when Ramadan come. So I just my time I take holiday from my office, so I come to my village during Ramadan. So there is fun, there is some memorable things. So did we remember when we are kids? We was kids, so we already rushed again takjil. So it's very fun thing. So everyone is pleasure if we see the crowded area. So many kind of food. So I myself so really likes the traditional foods also.
Yeah, you know, even we are the same like a Muslim. Also, we wore tajil, not only on another religion. So this is interesting phenomena because this has happened every year.
Yeah.
So how do you see this phenomena?
There is also good things. So that's what we call diversity. Every other religions can come together, and that's free for everyone. So takjils means we can come together. After we taking fasting, we can eat together. So even with the unknown person, we can share food also. Like in the crowded area, so we can deliver the food.
Bagi-bagi takjil.
Bagi-bagi takjil. That is also the interesting thing. So including also the humanity for everyone. So the poorest person, so you can give.
Wow.
takjil.
Okay.
So
Keep your statement. Yeah. I will move to you later. Okay. And next, Brian. So as usual, the general question is, how do you think about our topic for this day, war takjil?
Okay, about the topic, this topic is interesting to discuss because it's always happen every year.
Yeah.
Every Ramadan.
Regularly.
Regularly.
Yeah.
War takjil is a new thing for me because
Even this is regularly. This is new thing for you.
Yeah, because
why?
Every on the street always always crowded because of there is a takjil everywhere. There is also the sharing the takjil. Like Brother Aris said before, this is for the humanity because we share the takjil even
by free.
Yeah, for free. even non-Muslim can have it. I think that's make us more like how to say
like enthusiastic,
how to say,
happy, get close.
Yeah, get closer to the other.
Oh yeah. So talking about food, takjil. What is your favorite takjil and why?
Favorite takjil,
Yes.
I don't.
You like it all at all?
No.
All at all. Do you like it?
Not at all. But
why?
I don't, how to say, tidak memilih-milih.
Even try it all at all.
Yeah,
all you can eat.
All I can eat.
So you don't have specific favorite takjil?
Favorite,
Yes.
Maybe
Pisang hijau,
maybe
risoles,
the risoles,
sebuah.
No.
Which one? Jalan Kote. Which one? True.
Maybe the fries one, gorengan.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, fried one.
Yeah.
Like kambing-kambing.
No.
Bukan doang.
Ya, bukan doang, bakwan.
Okay. Tahu isi.
Tahu isi, risoles.
Okay. Don't imagine.
Don't imagine, ya.
Still long, guys. Okay, thank you. Keep your statement.
Thank you.
Okay, I move to you again. What is your favorite takjil and why?
All things of the traditional food, especially for the Makassar. I really like.
Oh, are you Makassaris?
Yeah, I'm Makassar.
Okay. Not Bugis?
No.
Oh, okay.
So I can miss some traditional food when I was working abroad. So
for example, like
for example, like Jalan Kote
Jalan Kote and
very famous one. Only this. The Jalan Kote, rokok unti.
Okay.
I think it's a very tasteful compare with the foreign Western dish. I think
What about the liquid takjil, like there is there is liquid inside, something like that. Ada kuahnya gitu. What
pisang
the
hijau.
takjil? Oh, pisang hijau.
Pisang hijau quite
Okay.
good also. Very nice, sweet also. So
But that Coto Makassar.
Coto Makassar ya. always. That thing's always.
As a sailor.
So there's no when I'm in the ship, so there's no can, especially my cook also in the ship cannot make.
You are safe? Safe?
no.
Oh, okay. In the machine. Navigation. Okay.
So I think it's when I was in the ship, so I really miss
Oh.
traditional food. Especially my mother also, he make the on the dish. So yeah, that's the moment thing. So I regularly take the vacation during the Ramadan. So that's the
every year.
that's the reason, the main reason every year.
Okay, Jalan Kote, pisang hijau.
Pisang hijau.
What else? Coto. Don't imagine. Okay, thank you. Okay, move to you, Agam. What is your favorite tajil? When you open fasting.
I think it's really a hard question for me because
Really? This
yeah,
is hard?
because
Why?
most of takjil that I really like it, especially traditional cake. So we can mention that all traditional cake.
Like
I like all traditional cake.
like what? Maybe you may choose the traditional, the other, the cake. What is the cake you like it?
The cake like we can say like lapis misalnya, lapis
Okay.
example. And then there is
Palu butung.
yeah, but if you asking me about the name, I don't really know the name because I just eat it without knowing the name.
Esteller, es buah.
Yeah, of course, Esteller, es buah, I really like that.
Uh.
But if I have to mention about the takjil that I always eat since when I was a kid is Jalan Kote, of course. Jalan Kote, of course, yeah.
This is always ready. I mean, available
Yeah, is
on your dish, on your table. Jalan Kote.
yeah,
on your plate.
but especially this month, because I break my fast in the mosque near my house.
Okay.
So yeah,
Everything
still-
is free.
yeah, but
right.
I seldom found Jalan Kote there. So, yeah.
Always.
Yeah, but there is Jalan
Every
Kote.
day.
Yeah, always. But there is Jalan Kote, but I don't get it because other people always go ahead. Like,
Because
Yeah,
Jalan Kote is the most favorite
Yeah.
food on the plate.
yes,
Right?
yes, yes.
In every day, in
Yeah.
everywhere. In
Always
every
use up
people.
before I get one Jalan Kote.
Okay. That's why it's like sold out.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jalan
Okay.
Kote. Okay, I move to you again.
Okay.
War takjil. You say this is a new thing for you,
Yeah.
even this phenomena is not new thing.
Yeah.
So where is your favorite place to buy takjil or war takjil?
I think that every street there is a takjil, yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
But the
every-
question is, where is your favorite place?
Yeah, there is no specific street that I found what takjil.
Maybe in cafe or restaurant or on the street.
But mostly is nearby my house.
Oh, nearby
Yeah.
your house.
Yeah,
Okay.
because there is a takjil nearby my house, and if there is like
What kind of takjil nearby your
Ah,
house they
like-
sell? Maybe like rice or dishes
no,
or
they don't sell rice.
Okay.
Only cake.
Only
Only
cake.
cake. And
What about lauk?
there is Esteller.
Lauk?
No.
No lauk.
Yeah.
What about fried things, gorengan, something like that?
The fried
Ready also.
the fried one, maybe just one kind.
What is that?
Like Bikandoang, only
Okay.
Bikandoang.
Bakwang ya.
Yeah.
Become sonam or become duang.
Yeah.
Like a song.
Yeah.
Become sonam or become duang. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just it.
Yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. I move to you again. You live in Samata, right?
Yes, of
And
course.
in a long day, in a long street, of course, a lot of seller of takjil.
Yeah.
If you see the phenomena of tahjil, the people who always hand the takjil, what time of actually in the long street in the Samata is very very crowded, according your observation there.
Okay, so because I usually go outside
Mhm.
also to buy takjil.
Mhm.
Even though I break my fast in the mosque, but I still go outside
yeah.
to buy
Oh,
takjil. So I go outside about 5 o'clock,
Mhm.
and then when I go to find some takjil, I want to look at for some takjil.
Mhm.
It's already full of people there want to
Mhm.
buy. But even though it's still like 5 o'clock, you still have a long time before break.
Maybe even 6 o'clock
Yeah, even 6 o'clock. Yeah,
because it's very crowded.
it's
right?
very crowded.
Mhm.
So if I have to choose like which food court I want to buy the takjil,
Mhm.
I just choose like the quiet one. Like there's no crowded or there is just small crowded because I personally I cannot work with other people.
Okay,
Yeah.
because you are introvert.
Yes, I can.
You're
Yeah.
introvert
Because
okay.
I already lost before I go work
Uh,
with them.
Your energy is lost when you socialize to crowd peoples, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
So that's why I rather go to food court that have a small crowd or
Mhm.
or maybe there's no buyer there.
But the thing is, maybe we have to prioritize the people who, I mean, like the seller who doesn't have how to say, tidak ramai
Yeah,
pembeli.
yes, that's
We
right,
have
that's
to
right. Yeah.
prioritize, right? So this is a very meaningful. I mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I move to you. Keep your statement. I move to Ari. Where do you live, Ari? And
Barombong.
Oh, Barombong. Which Barombong? I mean, Makassar or Goa?
Still in Makassar.
Still in Makassar.
Near Sekolah Pelayaran.
Oh, okay. So, of course, there is a like a crowd,
Yeah.
right? Pemukiman padat, something like that,
Yeah,
right?
crowded.
So, how do you see the phenomena? The people who always sailor on the street. What the time the very very crowd when they transaction to sell or buying takjil.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's Barombong is always crowd, but the
Uh-huh.
mostly crowd is when noontime. So,
Okay.
so like me, after this, I
Mhm.
go back to home
It's
and
traffic.
traffic, of course, will be
Uh-huh.
traffic.
Uh-huh.
So, but I have an opposite statement. Like he introvert, but I really like crowd. Crowd area, really like. But
Okay.
we grab each other, challenge each other to find the to find the
The food,
takjil. So
takjil,
it's very quite interesting. That's one of, so we say ngabuburit also. So I get the food and also already break the fast. So I enjoy life in the Barombong, but I think most wisely if we have a wide area because it's more crowded in there. So I think we
maybe
need some
because
space.
the street is only one street.
One street
right?
and also very small.
There is no alternative.
There's no
way.
alternative.
Oh yeah.
Also the main reason is there's no spread or you can coming car coming and car outside.
Oh
There's
yeah.
arrange good
Yeah.
arrange lah.
Yeah.
Like good arrange.
Uh-huh.
So when I'm back, I think I will taking breakfasting in the Makassar, not in Barombong because very crowded.
Yeah, it's
So
too
if
late.
it's possible,
It's too late to bake to
too late.
open
It's-
fasting there, right?
Late. But I
Mm.
hope it's possible. I want to taking breakfasting in the Barumbong.
Okay. My next question: do you have a personal experience that the phenomenal war takjil is really happen on how to say on your your eye, your I mean like front of you? This happened war takjil between the people like the same religion, the different religion, the cross religion, something like that. Do you have a personal something like that where the people who coming from the random area, random people, and it's very crowded? Do you have
Yeah.
personal experience about it?
Yeah, I saw several times like that. Even yesterday I saw.
Oh really?
because there is one place in Barumbong,
Mhm.
always the traditional place.
Mhm.
Like he sell like regularly one like Jalan Kote,
Mhm.
Pisang Hijau. But I think it's in there is very tasteful, so
Mhm.
many persons come to there. So I
Mhm.
think I never see this person.
Mhm.
Barumbong people, I recognize, but the
Do we need visa and passport to go to Barumbong like Sudiang? Like Sudiang? No.
if crowded, we need visa because we spend same time if we going to Sudiang.
hello Sudiang mate. Yeah.
It's not racist, but I own feel in the when I back to Barumbong.
Do you
We spending 1 hour just the same place.
yeah, absolutely. Do you feel like you are like a Goa people, not like Makassar city people, because you live in the southest,
The
paling
center,
selatannya Makassar,
Makassar.
kan? Barumbong. So
Hmm.
do you feel like you are Goanis or Makassaris?
I think I'm Makassar because I'm born in Makassar.
Oh. Sometimes people who live in Makassar, but they feel like, hey, I am Takalarnis, I am Goanis, I am
No.
Marosnis, something
Forever
like that.
Makassar.
Forever Makassar, yeah. Okay, thank you, Ari. Yeah. Okay, I move to you, Agung. Okay, we are still waiting, Fikri, yeah, from BPEC to join with us. Yeah, well, we of course talking about our topic, and the topic is World Tech Jail. So, do you have a personal experience to see in front of you this situation where it's very crowded and people come from the random area, random people, random I mean like very diversity, like the people who have a like white skin, black skin, brown skin, the other religion come, the Chinese, the India, maybe the Makassaris and everything.
Yes,
Do you have a
yes.
personal experience like you I mean like terjebak di dalam situasi itu di mana sangat ramai banget? Do you have something like that?
Yes,
personal
of course. Even though I'm an introvert, but
Mhm.
I've ever had personal experience about this
Mhm.
war takjil when I was in junior high school.
Mhm.
So that moment when my sister asked me to go buy some takjil in
Mhm.
outside
Mhm.
because our mother is so busy that time. So she asked me to go. I first for the first time, but she really forced me, and
Mhm.
she gives me a tip, of course. So yeah, I go outside and then go find some takjil, and in my village,
Where?
Our
Where?
village, Gandra is
Where?
Sopeng specifically
Sorry,
Gandra.
Gandra?
Yeah, Gandra.
Not NG, no.
No.
Like a traditional music
Yeah,
play.
yeah,
The bamboo.
Yeah.
Sopeng.
Yeah, Sopeng.
Sopeng.
The village is Gandra.
Uh,
So
Kalong City, yeah.
yeah, Kalong City. You can call it Kalong City.
Uh-huh.
So in my village, all the food court there, like the seller that sell takjil always crowded. There are no one food court is quiet there. It's always crowded.
Mhm.
So it's hard for me to choose
Which one?
which one because
Yeah,
it's
because
always
too much.
yeah, too much. So
Mhm.
I just go in one place that my mother usually comes, and then I go there, and there are a lot of people also, especially mothers.
Mhm.
So even though I come first, but like it's always the mothers always come
Mhm.
first to in front of me or ask the seller because I cannot ask the seller first. I waited for the seller asking me first,
Oh
what do you
my
want to buy?
God, how could it be? Come on.
Because I cannot ask you first. So
Okay.
you know what? I just because the takjil always use up,
Mhm.
and the seller already see me there for a long time. so he finally asked me, what do you want to buy?
Tetap-tetapan dong ya.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you want to buy? So I just
Okay.
I asked him, I want to buy Jelangkote, Risol, and what?
Cendol.
Kolak.
Kolak.
Yeah, kolak. Yeah.
What about cendol?
Yeah, I also like cendol, but
Uh-huh.
cendol is what rarely in my village.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we go to other village or
Mhm.
other village that
like
sell
local
cendol.
product, something like that. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Identic.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep your statement. I move to you. Do
Okay.
you have a personal experience that you have a like situation that you trapped there and people very crowd there? People come from random area, random background, random people, and you were there in the middle and very crowd. Do you have personal something like that? Personal experience?
Not in personal, but I just saw in social media that
Okay.
there is a word takjil in some place.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How to say? The how to say penjualannya?
The
yang
booth,
jual, ya.
booth,
Yeah,
the tent, the booth, the place,
yeah,
the tent,
the
booth.
product,
the product.
Yeah, the product is
Uh-huh.
sold out before breaking the fast, because
Oh yeah.
because
Uh-huh.
the non Muslim
Uh-huh.
buy it at
Borong.
ya, diborong sama non Muslim.
Yeah.
And the Muslim take the revenge when there is the Pascha day.
Yeah.
There's the Pascha day.
Balas dendam.
Balas dendam.
Yeah? Okay.
Dia
Borong telur.
dia borong telur sama roti.
Oh my god.
Yeah. That's how to say ya. This war takjil. Yeah, of course for
having fun.
Yeah, for everyone.
For everyone,
But-
for having fun. Also.
But why I see in the social media there is a how to say like ada rasa dendaman.
Rasa dendam in another way.
Yeah, in the other way.
Another way.
Yeah.
Something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, giving applause for us first. Yes. Okay. We move to the next question. Yeah, this phenomena, of course, always happen year by year. Yeah, we call it war tajil. And for example, like non-Islam, right,
Yeah,
Brian?
yeah.
They always make it funny video
Yeah.
to prepare to war tajil. For example, they wearing a hijab.
Hijab, yeah.
I mean like the camouflage.
Yeah, camouflage.
Yeah, to buy
To buy the takjil. Yeah.
So how do you think about that phenomenon? This is very funny.
Yeah, like I said before, the non-Muslim camouflage their
Yeah, wearing
hijab,
wearing sarung,
wearing sarung,
songkok.
wearing kopiah.
So yeah, kopiah.
To take to buy the takjil before the Muslim come.
Yeah, but actually we don't need to wearing that items to take, of
yeah.
course, right?
Yeah.
So so what is the ideal condition?
Yeah, like I said before.
Gimana semestinya apa?
Ya,
Pakaian tetap kayak
ya,
gitu atau
pakaian
gak usah?
They just
Normal.
Normally.
Yes.
They wear normally like
Mhm.
like us ya.
Mhm.
To buy the takjil.
Mhm.
But
Because not forbidden to buy
yeah,
tajil
yeah,
for everyone.
not forbidden.
Even you are come
Don't-
from Hindu,
yeah,
Buddhist,
Buddhist.
Christian, etc. Right?
Yeah, but I just how to say? I just wondering that like I said before, there is the revenging section.
Revenge.
Well, orang non Muslim beli semua takjil yang di jalan, terus yang Muslim pas hari Paskah
balas dendam.
Balas dendam.
Borong semua telur
Borong
ya.
semua telur
Borong
sama
telur, susu, apalagi
roti.
roti ya. Okay, thank you Brian. So, how do you think about the phenomena? It's very funny that the people who non-Islam dan Muslim, they make it video and it was viral. And it was viral. The algorithm is very high. So, how do you think about this funny gimmick, funny video? When they want to bertajil, they wearing hijab, songkok, sarung, and etc.
I myself always see the
really?
video, the TikTok video.
Oh, okay.
So, so it's a compilation during Ramadan, like like a viral video. So I think it's a very interesting thing. I'll always spending my time when I have nothing to do.
Yeah.
Just watch the compilation of the video of the TikTok. Like I was at first like non-Muslims disguise using the hijab and also very good things also. But I never see in the Makassar, but it's actually happen in the
social media,
Jawa and because still Makassar still have a stock, plenty of stock. So if we buy the takjil, some of the tent still have a food. So I think it's open for everyone. So we don't need to disguise like Muslims to buy the food in the Makassar.
Maybe like in our area, this is only normal, no need to wearing hijab, wearing songkok, wearing sarung to go outside to buy tajil, right?
I think it's kinda wide if we have a regulation like we just using the only Muslim food. There's a weird things. I think it's in the Makassar we open. I think it's usually saw see the open for everyone. So if non-Muslim we buy quickly. I think still available. Food is still available for until 7 o'clock. I think it's still available because plenty of stock.
Yeah, maybe until Tarawih also.
Until Tarawih also you can eat
still open.
Still open. No problem lah. This doesn't matter.
Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about the phenomena that the non-Islam wear takjil and they wearing songkok, they wearing sarung, they wearing hijab to go to outside? This is a very funny and looks like this social phenomena like to be culture in everywhere.
Yeah,
Yes.
because it's always viral also in social media.
Always viral.
Yeah, always
So
viral.
how do you think about it?
Yeah, I also always see a lot of videos about compilation about the other religion that wearing a Muslim or Muslima clothes before they go to the takjil seller. Because why? I think I know the reason, because some of the seller that sell takjil in example in the other region in Java example, so the seller there they want to prioritize the Muslim or Muslim first. So in order to avoid like other religion, I want to buy all of the takjil. So the seller always asks first about the questions about Islam. You know, like what is the Rukun Islam, what is Rukun Iman. So other religion notice that. Notice because if I go there, they will ask me, so I cannot buy all of the takjil. So I have to wear like Muslim clothes so that the seller cannot ask me what the question. So I think that's the reason why the other religion, like they wearing songkok or
to prevent rejection, maybe.
To prevent rejection. I think that's right.
If I'm not wearing this, oh my god, I cannot buy. Okay, so I have to wear this, right?
Yes.
Okay,
They
nice.
like aware, yeah.
Okay, welcome to our newcomer. Hello. Where have you been?
I apologize. I've been late because I'm sleepy.
Oh my god. Oke, untung nggak sampai ini ya open fasting ya. Oh my god, it's para nih, para. Okay, it's okay. Okay, welcome back in our
Thank you.
program Smart English communities on Smart FM, of course, in our studio. So please introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers at home. What is your name? What is your English club? How it looks like, and what about the agenda? Please come on.
Okay. Thank you for your opportunity. My name is Fikri Ahmad Zaki, but you can call me Fikri. I'm from BPEC, Benteng Banyuwangi English Club Makassar. And now, if you want to join our community, you can registration next month.
Next month.
Yeah, next month, because we have a new registration.
Okay.
And if you want to come our English Club, you can come in Benteng on Sunday this week. We have a kind of agenda, like debate or discuss about what topic, and of course games.
So, what about the schedule special on Ramadan on BPEC?
It's usually like discuss about paper we give, and after that we debate about what the motion, and of course between of that schedule we have a games.
No, I mean like the special time on Ramadan, like the clock PM AM.
Oh, the time.
Yeah, the time.
I'm not sure about the time. Maybe
Really?
really
Because you're committed. Come on.
Yeah.
How could it be?
because I forgot what is the time, but
Okay.
maybe I will
Because
check.
you wake up.
Yeah.
You wake up. So you're not sure about it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. My question is, our topic consists of two words, yeah, war takjil, yeah, perang takjil, something like that. So how do you think about this phenomena, on your personal perspective?
I think it is very interesting because we don't expect when other religions when wanna eat meals. Then why I said that because I said interesting, and why this means don't exist in just
in a broad
no,
country,
not abroad. In selain Ramadan,
Oh yeah.
We can see, right?
Yeah.
Like
Only in Ramadan.
only Ramadan we can see es buah, Jalan Kote, Rizal, and else. Like okay, we always see every day, but we
The euphoria
Yeah. Yeah.
strong, right?
yeah, like that for me.
Do you still have an addition? No.
No.
Okay, I move to the second question because
Okay.
you are you come here. And of course, you have a many question. Yeah, because they are how to say they already
Yeah.
answer my
Yeah.
question.
I apologize. I be late.
It's okay. Okay. My next question is, what the different Ramadan in our country with another country? Do you believe that there is a war takjil also in outside in abroad country?
If we talk about the war takjil, maybe they have, but we don't know how, especially like how and like that. Maybe they have, but we don't know. Well,
Which one is we don't know? Casino, Inpro. Which one you choose? Kidding. Okay, continue.
we don't know especially how and maybe why and jam berapa, we don't know especially what
Okay.
time
Okay.
we don't know.
Okay, my next question. Yeah, again and again I ask you because they already answer many questions, so you have to also answer many questions. So talking about war of takjil, especially in takjil, what is your favorite takjil, Fikri, and why?
Just say it, yeah. Don't imagine.
Okay. What
Wow,
is
wow, wow.
your favorite takjil and why?
I think my family cook. My mom cook. My mom cook. Like
What is the name of the cook?
Rizal. They
You are the seller of
no,
Rizal?
no. We don't sell it.
Okay.
Like in my family tradition, like if after if the Ramadan is closed, they make a Rizal for us for the meal.
Okay.
For
Uh,
1 month.
Yeah, for 1 month to breakfast.
Okay. But why you like it?
Yeah. One, it is delicious, of course,
Mhm.
and two, it is my
Guys, don't imagine. Don't imagine.
okay. Even you believe.
Uh,
The second reason is it is my mom.
what is that?
Rizal. We cannot we cannot imagine when this is from our parents, like
What is inside of the result?
like carrot.
Oh my god. Mhm, mhm.
Nah, please guys, don't imagine it.
You continue.
Carrot, meat and else.
What about the sweet one? Yang manis-manis.
Yeah, like general people es buah.
Esbuah.
Esbuah.
What is inside of esbuah? Do you have a special like?
No.
Maybe inside how to say? Nangka.
Yeah,
Papaya.
this is one angka jelly and others, etc.
Okay. Yeah. Still you. Yeah. Talking about word tajil, do you have a personal experience that you have a trapped? You are inside, and it's very crowd when you buy something on the street, and people come from the random area, random people, random background, and that is a very crowd, and they were berebut-rebut gitu buat beli. So do you have a personal experience like that?
Yep, when I was if I remember specifically when I was maybe 14,
14.
yeah, 14
Now?
years old, yeah,
Now you are
19.
19. It means that 5 years ago.
Yep, 5 years ago.
Just say 5 years ago. I was like blah
I-
blah 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 something like that. Not I'm 14, so I don't know your age. Okay, so how to say? Can you explain the situation?
It's very chaos.
Chaos.
That's that.
Really?
Yeah, it's very chaos.
Chaos.
Yeah, like it doesn't mean like people. No. Nggak sampai situ Ji. Like it's very crowd. Where even we cannot move.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How to say saling rebutan.
yeah, like that.
You cannot move like in central when when the
Yeah.
Haminess want
Yep,
Idul Fitri something like that. It's a very crowd.
Yeah.
You cannot move something
yep,
like that.
yep.
So raise your hand. Give up. Give up. Something like that. Okay. We are still have time. How many minutes? Okay. Okay. It's very limited. So because this is very limited, so how do you think? What is your conclusion about our topic for this day in Ramadan month, the first week? Please.
Okay, so my conclusion about this topic is for you guys who want to experience this war takjil, it just how to say, like it just depends on you. If you want to go buy it in the crowded food court, or you want to buy it in the quiet food court, just depend on you. But if you having a war takjil, just having it like good and safe, not push people or punch people like that. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Agung. Yeah, from EUC. Next, Ari, what is your conclusion about our topic for this day on Ramadan first fasting?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. For my conclusion,
Mm.
this we can have positive vibes for this war takjil. So this means food. Food can deliver for everyone. So we can share it for the especially for the poorest one. So we can inside when we crowded. So we can deliver the good things during Ramadan. So I think it's a positive vibes. We should keep this because this good habit. Not classing during grabbing food. So just the how we can deliver the food for everyone, even non-Muslim. So we can have a positive vibes. Like me, I share when in the mosque I share the food like just a small things like several piece of the jalan kote we just share the good thing for everyone during Ramadan. So the other religions see the always good things regarding Muslim.
Nice statement. Okay, Brian, what is your conclusion about our topic for this day on Ramadan and the first fasting?
Okay.
First week.
My conclusion for this topic is what tajil is is a good thing because we have how to say preparation before breaking the fast. If you want if there is no the ingredients in your house, don't know how to what to cook, what to make, just go outside. There is takjil everywhere.
Okay, guys, before we close our program, please prepare your one word or one sentence. Only one sentence or one word. As a closing statement for our topic word takjil. One word or one sentence. Okay, what about your conclusion about our topic for this day?
The conclusion of my this
topic
today, it is proof that it is one of tolerance.
Okay.
Even non-Muslim we can buy it. Even what else can buy it?
Wherever you come,
wherever you come, where you are, and who you are, and what is your religion, you can buy it. For me, like that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, last one word or one sentence about our topic.
Amazing.
You one word or one sentence?
Diversity.
Okay, what about you? One word or one sentence about our topic?
One sentence. Be wise.
Be wise.
Yes.
Okay. What about you? One word or one sentence?
Tolerance and united.
United. Okay, give a applause for us. Thank you guys for coming in our studio in our program English Community with English Communities. Thank you Agung from EUC. Thank you Arif from Max. Thank you Brian from BPEC. Thank you Fikri from BPEC. That's all our conversation or discussion about our topic, and the topic is word tajil. Always listen and watch Smart FM 101.1 Business Inspiration, the Spirit of Indonesia, especially program English Communities, English program, and of course happy Ramadan. See you next week. Bye bye.